Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. So wear your scarf, fold it from both of the sides. Now take both of the folded sides and tie them with the help of rubber band. And you can use any embellishment pin to enhance your look. And there you go. And in the next one, fold your scarf, wear it, cross both of the sides and fold it one side like this. Now take other side back around your neck and now pass it through its loop and set both of the sides and your beautiful look is ready. And in the next look, fold your scarf from middle and wear it. Now tie both of its edges and pass its one edge through the folded side. And now take both of the sides, tie a simple knot. It will make a loop. Now take both of the sides and roll them with one another. And pass both of the edges through the loop and set the edges. And your beautiful look is ready. Hope you are going to like it. Next one is also very easy. Take your long scarf and tie a rubber band in the middle like this. Now take both of the edges and tie them like this. Tie double knot. Now wear it, set it, and your beautiful look is ready. It was also quite easy and looks very stylish. So next one is also very easy. Wear your scarf and tie a knot at its one side. Now take the other side and pass it through the knot and make a loop of it like this. Now flat it out to make a beautiful flower. Set both of the edges and you are done. So next we are using a square scarf. Wear it like this. Bring both of the sides to the front side and now separate both of the edges. Now roll its one side around the scarf like this. Now hold both of the lower edges and tie a simple knot. And again pass it through the knot like this. And set your scarf and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like this tutorial. And in the next one, fold your scarf, bring its both of edges at one side and now pass one edge through the folded part. Now take both of the sides and tie a simple knot, making a loop like this. Again tie a simple knot holding the loop and set the loop like this. And it will become a beautiful flower. Set both of the edges and your stylish look is ready. It was also quite easy. So next one is also quite easy. Fold the one side, making a beautiful bow, and pass the other side through the rubber band of the bow and set the edge. Set your bow and your beautiful look is ready. It was also quite easy. So in the next one, wear your scarf. It is a thin and long scarf. Tie a knot, making a loop, and now pass both of the sides through the loop like this, and your easy peasy look is ready, which is quite stylish too. Hope you are going to like it. So again we are using the same scarf. Simply wear it. Now take it from the middle and give it zigzag folds like this, and secure with the rubber band. Now set it, and your beautiful look is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.